up with the camera, please. We are going to stream live on the YouTube as well. Please come up, come up. And good morning, guys. It's good morning.
Good
I can
morning.
able to
Good
see
morning, boss.
Doha. I can able to see Amit. I can able to see Amit, Tarun, Ankit, Hardik. What about others? Guys, we are 22 people into the Zoom meeting, but I can able to see only 5 people or 6 people into the YouTube. That's not good. Guys, come up on the camera, please. It will be very, very interactive sessions because we are in the day 2 and we are going to start our journey for the cloud and DevOps engineers. Are you agree? Yes or no? Are you
Yes, sir.
excited? Are you all
Yes, sir.
excited?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Thank you. Okay. Let me share my screen. Okay. And yes, you can able to see yourself on the YouTube as well. Cool. Thank you. Okay. And guys, this is the day 2 session. Okay. And in this day 2 session, or what we can say, what we missed in the day 1 session, I'm going to cover up that also in the quick 5 minutes. Okay. No need to worry for that. Because if you're watching the directly the day 2, no need to worry. You have not missed anything. Only the overview of the course you have missed it. Okay. And the actual session will be start from today on. And guys, this session will be completely live on the Zoom only, and it's a live interactive session so that you can unmute and you can talk with everyone in the group as well. Okay. Now I'm coming here. Guys, is that possible? Be on mute. Whoever is not talking, it will be helpful and our video or not, things will be very clean. And if you will see here, as I mentioned very clearly, we are live on the Zoom as well as we are live on the YouTube as well. Okay, cool. And in the day 2, how many people are able to understand this image? It look very tough, but how many people are able to understand in this image? Tell me. Just speak up because I'm able to understand 10%, 20%, 50%,
100% Ashwin this side.
100% Ashwin. Very good. What about others?
Yeah, 90 to 95%.
90 to 95%. Okay, cool. Whoever is not speaking, no need to worry, guys. I'm here with you guys. Okay. Earlier, if I will take an example, 5 years back or 10 years back, okay, every server or every machine was running into the data center. Okay, whatever the applications we are using, whatever the website we are using, everything was running into the data center. If you will see in your office also, there was a small room that is called a data center room or server room where all the machines, rack, CPU, memory, disks, and everything was maintained into that place, databases as well. Okay, but in the 2000 after COVID or after 2022-23, are you able to see that small room in the office, or the room become very small? What happened? It should be increased or it has decreased or it has gone. What do you
Almost,
say?
It is gone.
almost gone.
Almost gone, right? Where it gone? Went? Where it went?
Cloud.
It went to the cloud. Okay, cool. And yes, we are able to perform whatever activities what was we are able to do it into the data center, we will able to do with the help of cloud as well. So we will discuss. When we will discuss about the cloud, there are cloud services are there. Okay, types of clouds are there, we will understand that. Cloud models, cloud services, we will understand that. If we understand this part, then which type of application has to be required, like monolithic application, microservice based application, serverless type application. So types of applications will be required. And in the today's session, I'm going to cover up everything. I hope you are excited. Yes, no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Cool. Thank you. Okay. And in this session, we are going to cover up this many things. Okay. What exactly the cloud is. But before going into the cloud, first I will give 10-minute time to the data center as well, because I don't want you to take directly into the cloud. First, I will give the data center related activities. Okay. Data center problems, why the data center things fail, or what all problems happen into the data center. 10 minutes we will spend into the data center. Then we will move into the cloud. We will discuss about the types of cloud providers. We will discuss types of cloud and types of deployment model into the cloud, advantages of hosting the application into the cloud, and disadvantages also we will discuss into the today's session. Okay, we will discuss the architecture of the cloud. We will discuss what exactly the cloud computing is, how the cloud computing works, physical machine versus virtual machine, and then after that, feature of cloud computing, characteristics of cloud computing, public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, benefits of the cloud, these all things. Then we will come up and cover up the types of cloud or different types of cloud which can be possible or which we can learn it. And we will make a hybrid cloud, because this course is a multi-cloud architecture diagram. In the multi-cloud, two clouds we are going to discuss, so we will focus primarily on the AWS and GCP. And someone will say, because I would like to learn the Azure as well. No need to worry. When I create or when our group created a machine on AWS or our AWS account, you must have to create a AWS account, but parallelly in the evening, you can create a Azure account as well. Fine. Yes or no? Are you agree with my point? If someone says that because I want to learn the Azure as well, I'm very confident that I have to learn it, then you can do that also. Are you agree? Can I
Yes.
get a yes from everyone into the chat
Yes.
box, please, please, please? Cool, thank you. Okay, and then we will discuss about the service models, cloud computing models, types of providers, and cloud comparison. Why? Because why you are making the comparison? Because you have to be aware about it. Whatever the services are available in AWS is the same services are available in GCP. Same services are available in Azure. Same services are available in Alibaba Cloud, IBM Cloud. So we will make a small comparison. 5 minutes we will spend, or 5 to 10 minutes we will spend into this, so that you will be aware about the things. It makes sense? Cool. Okay. Is that okay? You understood the agenda for today, everyone?
Yes.
Cool.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay. But before going into the day two, something we have missed from the day one. Okay. We have planned this all things from the day one. Okay. Not from here. I will open the tracking sheet. Okay. From the tracking sheet, we have missed something from the day one, which we have already made it little bit right. Okay. In the yesterday session, we haven't talked about the DevOps. We talk about the AWS, but we haven't talked about the DevOps. Are you agree? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So let's do the things from the DevOps, and then slowly we will move into the cloud. Okay, good. I'm coming here. And if still, guys, someone will say definitely, because where is the PPT? I need a PPT. Where is the recording? If anyone has this type of question, or everyone is crystal clear, go ahead, go ahead. Anyone here? Yes, no. Everyone knows where is the PPT, where is the video? Yes, no, please confirm. Govind is
Yes,
telling
sir.
yes. Jeevan is
No,
telling yes. Someone say
No,
no, then only I will explain.
no,
no.
no.
Yes, good. Thank you. Thanks for saying no. Okay. If the answer is no, you don't know where it is, it's my responsibility to give the answer. Okay. I want you to come into the website. Okay. www.clouddevopshub.com. As soon as you will come up here. Okay. You will able to see some pop-up. Okay. The batch 38 starting on the 12th Feb, day before, yesterday only we have started this batch. As soon as you will click on the enroll now button, okay, you will be landed into one page, and in this page some details are available. What all things we are going to cover up? It's a 100% live. The batch 38 means 55 sessions will happen on the multi-cloud and DevOps. Okay, like this is a day 2 session. Okay, full recording of the previous batch. Because why you are providing the recording also? Because this is 38 batch. So why you are providing the batch 38? Because some students are here, they will say, because I can't wait for 55 days, I can't wait for 2 months, right? Are you agree? Yes or no? Some are the
Yes.
fast learners also in our group. Okay, they need a job within a week, they need a job within a 1 month. Okay, so what I'm doing it, I'm providing the previous batch complete recording to you. You can run faster as well. Is this looks good? Okay, if someone will say, because I don't need it, so don't open it. Keep it as a separate part. Okay, don't open it, please. Okay, and because I would like to get, if you are targeting 20 lakh, but I want to target more, 5 lakh more, 10 lakh more. Okay, so I'm giving some Python for DevOps. I'm giving some Linux administration for DevOps as well, where I'm taking 5, 5, 10, 10 extra classes only for Python, only for Linux. Okay, because someone want to go more into the Linux side. Okay, so yes, that also separate is available into this, and these recordings are also available in this package. Okay, and obviously the interview related things, tips and tricks related videos, PPT videos, materials, statistics, details are, and some quiz things are available, which are available in this package. Okay, so what I want, as soon as you will enroll into this course, you will click on the dashboard. Okay, as soon as you will click on the dashboard, you will able to see some product like this, some package. Okay, this type of package will be visible to you on the batch 38. Okay, as soon as you will click on this package, you will able to see this all courses are inside it, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, you don't have to worry for, because why all these things, you just have to open this one where the batch 38 is written. Make sense? Yes or no? I will give all the links. No need to worry. I will give all the links. Okay. You just have to click where the batch 38 is written. If you will click on the batch 37, recordings will become. Make sense? Okay.
Yes.
You just have to click here. Okay. As soon as you will click here, you will be landed into particular this. And at this point, it look very confusing because this is an admin panel. I'm just showing from the admin panel. I will simplify as a student panel. Okay. As soon as you will log in, some things will be visible to you. So many structure. It's complete a skeleton at this point. The skeleton says pre-request. In the pre-request, one WhatsApp community link is there. Please join it. Facebook community link is there. Please join it. Bookmark pages are there. Please bookmark it. Means direct link. As soon as how you can access it. Whoever has the access, I'm just giving you this link. You can click on this and you will be landed into this page. Okay, I'm giving you this link. Okay, it will not be visible for me. Okay, and whoever has the access, just click on this link. Okay, so what will happen, you will able to see everything directly into this place. Okay, and you can join the WhatsApp group, WhatsApp community, and we have a one private WhatsApp group also. Okay, you can just message me because add into the private WhatsApp group as well. I will add you into the private WhatsApp group as well. Okay, and live session links, all the Zoom live session links are available here. Okay, you can see here Batch-38, all the Zoom links are available, whatever the date sessions are there. It's a regular Monday to Friday 8 a.m. session, so everything is available into this. Okay, if we change the Zoom link also, you will able to get it here, or you will get it from the WhatsApp group. Make sense? Yes or no? Agree? All good? Cool. And after that, the day one is here. Okay, and day one PPT. Okay, whatever I'm showing, it is visible here. Make sense? It's loading, it will be visible here. Okay, and as well as, yes, 60 pages are there, all the pages. You have to click on the next and you will able to see everything from this place. Make sense? Cool, all good? Okay, second, because is that possible that we can watch the videos also? Obviously, buddy, everything is visible here. This is our yesterday's video. Okay, it is on the YouTube, but you can able to see everything from the LMS system. Is this simple? Yes or no? Day two, obviously day two, nothing is happened. So day two related videos will come here. Day three videos will come here. And after that, everything will be into the order. Can I get your confirmation? All good?
All good.
Everyone?
Yeah.
Everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir, all good.
والله بما تعملون.
Hi, Vikas. Your voice was gone.
Your screen is stuck. Hello.
Yeah, Hardik, I can hear you, but
Yeah.
I cannot hear Vikas.
Yes. Right. Right.
Might be network issue. He will join.
ولئن قتلتم
Yeah, he is rejoining the call.
Sorry, guys. There may be problem from my side. You are able to hear me now?
Yes, crystal
Yes,
clear.
Yes,
Thank
Vikas.
you. Thank you. Okay, I am sharing my screen. Let me check it's live on the YouTube or not. I don't know, but let me record this. Okay, cool. So what I would like to say that yes, every link is available into the WhatsApp group as well. Okay, if you will see the description, all the details are available here. Clear? I hope everything is very clear. Please confirm, please confirm.
Yes.
At least into the
Yes,
chat
sir,
box,
it's
please.
clear. Yes, sir, it's clear.
Thank you, thanks a lot. Okay, now I'm coming up into the day one, whatever the things has been missed. Okay, because how we can check it, we have a tracking sheet. In this tracking, all the details are available. Okay, so yes, we have not covered up the yesterday's the DevOps part. I'm coming directly into the DevOps. Whatever the discussion we will discuss, it's okay, it's not too much. But if someone is not in any of the WhatsApp group, okay, or any of the community, anywhere, guys, I want you to connect. I want you to scan this barcode. Okay, and you can join our WhatsApp group. Don't scan with the Paytm, phone pay, Google Pay. Okay, scan with your camera or with the lens or Google lens. Okay, and come into the WhatsApp community, please. Okay, so that what will happen, if any communication is going to be happen, you will able to see the message. Cool, all good? Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay, I hope everyone has, if someone is watching on the YouTube, you can wait for some time, or otherwise I will give a link into the group as well so that you can able to join. Thank you. Okay, now I'm skipping all these things. Okay, obviously salary, I'm skipping the salary also. I'm skipping the DevOps engineer salary part, which we have already discussed, and I'm skipping anyone here who don't know me. Anyone in this group? Anyone in this group who is telling because I don't know who are you? Anyone? Please let me know, guys. Yes or no, please.
No, sir.
Yes, thank you. No one says he don't know me. Okay, so I'm very good.
No,
I'm
sir.
into the good shape. Okay, cool. Okay, now what I'm doing it. This is my team number, guys. Okay, if anyone has any question related to Cloud DevOps Hub, related to if you want to talk with anyone in our group, so you can talk to Ekta HR. Okay, you can talk to Ritvika. You can talk with me as well anytime. If you will call on this number 999344510, I will be the sole responsible person to receive the call. Cool, all good. Thank you. Okay. Now we have already did the discussion and I want you to come into the focus mode now. Okay, the theory part is done. Now we are coming into the focus part. Focus part is like I want you to deliver or understand everything 100%. So if you come up with the camera, sit properly. Okay, it will be helpful for you. Cool. And in the yesterday's session, we have talked about the AWS. Can you guys give me the little bit answer what exactly the AWS is? Because this is just a simple starting. What is exactly the AWS? Your understanding? Go ahead.
It's a service provider.
Cloud service.
Correct.
Cloud
Service provider. Cloud service provider. Correct. Okay. What else?
It is the IaaS platform, infrastructure as a service.
It has all the things: IaaS, PaaS,
Yes, yes, or
SaaS,
SAS.
FaaS, CaaS. Now, important
Yes.
thing is FaaS. What is FaaS or CaaS? If you know IaaS, PS, SS, everyone knows. Correct? If you are telling because I don't know this also, no need to worry. I'm going to teach to you. Okay. But yes, what is FaaS or what is CaaS? Go ahead. Silence. Anyone knows in the group?
FAS is the function.
Function as a service.
FaaS is a function as a service. Very good. Yes. CAS,
Container
Cloud,
as a
cloud as a
container
service.
as a service. Container as
Container.
a service. Guys, see, IAS, PS, SS, to everyone knows. Okay. In the today's class, I'm going to teach to you this. Okay. But with the help of this learning, 5 to 10 lakh package is only possible. 15 lakh, 20 lakh package is possible. If you want to go beyond 20, then yes, you have to come into FAS or CAS. Function as a service. What is the service name into the AWS for the function as a service?
Lambda.
Lambda. Okay. So yes, we have to learn the Lambda. CAS, what is the service name?
Docker, Kubernetes.
Kubernetes.
Service name. I'm not asking anything.
EKS.
Kubernetes. Okay. EKS. Okay. EKS, or you can say in simple KTS Kubernetes. Okay. Or
Yes.
come into the container itself. Yes, we have to reach into this level. Are you ready for this level?
Yeah.
Everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Cool. Thank you. Okay. And basic theory, we have already discussed about the AWS. Okay. What exactly it is? The subsidiary of Amazon organization. The AWS URL is aws.amazon.com. It provides servers, services, resources, and it can be developed remotely, or it's helping us into the remote services. Yes, it has a free access. Guys, yesterday I given one homework also. Have you anyone read it? That URL, that link? Anyone did the homework? Yes, no? I didn't know to say no. That's a you did?
Sir.
What is the homework? First, tell me, what is the homework? Homework क्या था ये बताओ?
Yes, we did it. I mean, we need to see the websites and I mean, serve the websites just to go through a couple of services.
Services which are free or not. Which
Correct.
service
Okay.
is free?
Because see, you want to learn everything free of cost, right? Or you want to pay to AWS? What's your choice? Free,
Firstly,
right?
yes.
First free. Okay. So
Yes.
there is a in the free, there is a free tier option is there. Okay. So
Yeah.
I have given the homework. I will give the link also right away. So what exactly it is? Just explore what all things are free. So that at least names you will be aware. Okay, if you will be aware about the name, it will be helpful for you to go deeper into that part. Okay, I will take you, but you have to be aware about the names, right? If you will see the names again and again, you will be remembering the names. Okay, that's the intention. Okay, and yes, here is the website link. Okay, I'm giving you again aws.amazon/free. Okay, as soon as you will open this link, you will able to see what all free tier things are available. Okay, and I'm giving it to the Zoom chat box as well. Okay, yes, free tier. I want you to explore how many 12 months are free, what is the database name, what is the server name, what is the storage name, what are storage services are there. At least just explore. Okay, take as a 5-minute time, it will be helpful for you. What all 12 months things are free. Okay, just choose this and you will get to know this things are 12 months free of cost. Okay, because in the 1 year it's okay. 1 year is too much time for the learning. Are you agree? And if I will speak also, it will be 750 hours. You will not able to remember. So if you have to spend some time by own, and you will remember the things. Okay, so bookmark it and take it as a homework for today as well. Okay,
Okay.
thank you. Now, after doing AWS, we know 55,000 or 55 million IT engineers are available. 55 million IT engineers are available. What they do? करते क्या हैं? बोलो. What they do?
SDLC, sir. Which will be the
Huh?
example.
SDLC, software development lifecycle. They will stuck into the software development lifecycle, right? Someone is a developer, someone is a support engineer, someone is a test engineer, someone will maintenance, and they will be into the SDLC only. Okay, what exactly the SDLC is? Go ahead, guys. Help me out. Help me out. Help me out.
It's a
Before
software development
before
This is
lifecycle
software.
uh,
before like start a project, so we manage one software development life cycle. In this, there are some phases. Like first, we need to planning.
Hemant, come up on the camera. Hemant, come up on the camera. It will be helpful for everyone. Yes, and your confidence will build. Guys, I'm here to build your confidence. Are you agree? Yes or
First,
no?
Yes.
Yes or no? Right?
Yes, sir.
If you will come up on the camera, speak in front of everyone, talk with the group, your confidence will build. Hemant, you're giving the good answer.
first we need
Continue,
to
please.
plan. Then we need to make a design with the with the architecture team. Then
Cool.
we can build, and we can test, and then we can maintain.
Makes sense. Okay. I'm doing it. I'm just taking one screenshot. Okay. From my once again. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, okay. What I did, I just take one screenshot of the clock. Okay, and yes, if I will give you the requirement, we have to develop this type of clock. Okay, simple example. Oh my god, why the structure is not coming? Chalo. Pent Jindabad, PAINT. Okay, Pent. Okay, yes, if I have a question, we have to develop this type of clock. Now the question is how you will do that. Okay, very first the planning will come into the picture, correct? Planning phase. You will decide in which language or it is possible, or the product owners will come. PRODUCT product owners. Okay, full development teams will come. Okay, and they will decide that it is possible or not. Business analyst BA will come into the picture and they will decide it is possible to develop this clock or not. Guys, this clock is nothing but my laptop clock only. Okay, I took the screenshot of that. So now the question is, if product owner will decide we have to develop this type of clock, how they will start? Go ahead.
Requirement gathering first.
Gathering. Okay. Means which type of clock it is. It's required 24 hours clock. It should be 12 hours clock. AM, PM feature is required or not. Digital clock, analog clock, right? They will decide this all things. This is called planning phase. Make sense? Yes or no?
Yeah. First of all,
Okay.
they are plan.
They are into the planning phase. Okay. They will
Yes.
plan this all thing. After making the plan, what will happen?
They will start the design.
They will start into the designing part. Okay, they are doing the planning. Okay, after the planning is done, that okay, we have to create a square clock, we have to create a AMPM feature. This is the plan. Okay, then analysis. They will analyze that it is possible or not. Sometimes we
Yes.
decided that we have to do it, but it is possible or not. They will analyze this all things. Make sense? And in
Yes.
the analyze, they will decide that okay, there are so many languages are available like Java, C, Python, .NET. So many languages are there. Out of that, which language has to be choose? Can you guys choose any of the language?
Python.
Why Python?
So most of the times Python have a own library, so you can choose and or import and directly use already built code, implemented code.
I'm
That
happy
we
with
have
this
good
answer.
package libraries and it is easy to understand for the
Perfect.
developer.
Yes.
Okay. With the help of Python, ready-made libraries are available. Ready-made modules are available. Guys, you have to remember this keyword. I'm not telling you to learn Python. I'm telling you remember the keywords. Right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready-made libraries and ready-made modules are there. With the help of ready-made library modules, we don't have to write the logic. Okay. The coding is not required. We just have to use one keyword. What is that keyword we have to use?
Import.
Good. Okay, we have to use only one keyword, import, import. Okay, and just write time. Okay, so what
Yes.
will happen? Your complete 90% of your code is done,
Done.
or 95% of your coding is done. Now only write 1 or 2 lines. You need a black color, white color, done. What you want.
Yeah.
Yes, it is very simple. Sometimes it looks very tough, but when the analysis happen properly, okay, you decide the things properly, then things can be achieved very easily. I will develop this clock in front of you guys. No need to worry. Okay, but this is called analysis phase. Then after the design phase, when developers start writing the code. Cool? Yes, no, all
Yeah.
good?
Yes.
After design phase, what is the next, which is hiding in my screen?
Implementation.
Implementation. Okay, yes, after writing the code they will implement that. Okay, this is has to be created and the build will be get generated in technical cut. Build will be get generated.
Yeah.
Yes or no,
Yes.
guys? Everyone agree? I'm not getting any response, guys. Everyone, guys, what is the
Sir,
benefit of using
Yes.
the Zoom?
sir, I have
Otherwise
one
we
doubt.
can, I can strip directly into the
Yes,
live on
yes.
the YouTube as well, correct? This is the difference.
Sir,
Yep, go
what is
ahead.
the difference between build and package?
I will do it. I will do it. Okay, see, build and package means something has been generated. Okay, something, one artifact has been generated. That's it. At this point, no need to discuss that point. Within some couple of 1 or 2 days, I will come up into that part. Okay, one artifact has been generated. After generating the artifacts, what is the next step? Testing team
We
will
can
come
the
into the
test.
picture. QA people will come into the picture. They will do the QA testing. Okay, they will check into the environment, it is working properly or not. After the environment is working, they will
Deploy.
deploy into the another environment, from QA to the pre-environment or prod environment, and everything should work. Then the maintenance will come. IT support engineers will be there, who is always responsible that application should up and running always. Correct? They
Yes.
will work 24/7 into the shift, and they will make sure that application should run. Application can be clock, application can be any of the banking server as well. But steps are same. Agree? Guys, I'm not getting interaction. Please, yes or no?
Yes.
I need a yes from the everyone. I
Yes.
need a yes
Yes,
from
sir.
everyone into the chat box. I need a yes
Yes,
from
yes.
everyone. Cool. Thank you. Okay. This is software development life cycle. Because is this learning enough? No, man. This is just for college students. Okay. If you want a high package, you have to understand this all things, how this thing happens. This is also a same image, but you have to understand up to this level. Then only you can able to target a high package job. Are you agree? Yes, no? Tell me,
Yes.
Yes.
everyone. So
Yes.
we are here because we are not here to learn this. I'm not here to teach this. Okay. I'm here to teach this part. Okay. I'm here to develop everything one by one in front of you. I'm here to develop each and every step in front of you, and we will make a software and we will understand the complete flow. And that's why I will make you the DevOps. Cool. DevOps engineer will not write the code, but DevOps engineer will handle all these things with the help of tools. Make sense?
Yes.
Now tell me, what is DevOps?
It's
What is DevOps?
development operation. So
Yeah, very good.
we
Development
can
plus
participate in the
operation.
release activities whenever code or build is completed after testing. So our duty is we can maintain.
Cool. Okay. Guys, as soon as you will join, from where this name came, there is a development, there is the operation.
Operation.
Dev, from some part from the dev has taken, some part from the ops has taken and created a new team, DevOps. If you will go to any of the company, there may be chances you may work 60% into the development, or there may be chances 20% you may work into the development, or there may be chances 10% only you are working into the development and 90% you are working into the operations. So there is no fixed that 50-50 we will work. There may be chances some company works 70% or 70% into the dev, or only 10, 20% into the ops. possible. It can be anything. Okay, be ready for that. Okay, or when you're joining any of the company, be sure that how much development work will come to you or your team and how much operation work will come to you. Cool? Agree? And there is no 50-50 number. That's why I created this image. It should be get up and down. Okay, cool. Thank you. Okay, now the question is what exactly the DevOps is. Some people, let's read the definitions. Okay, when developers, testers, and IT engineer team, three major team. Okay, these are the three major team work together. Okay, work together to develop any of the software and keep their process of software development into sync. Whatever is their process, it should be into the sync, and all the work should work smoothly. That's why they have created a new team called DevOps. They can, because they can work together also. No man, they will fight with each other. Okay, developer and QA are the fighters. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Because whatever the code developer is writing, they are finding the issues. QA people is finding the issues into that. Correct? So they are
Yes.
not a friends. Okay. Another thing, whatever the application has been deployed into the production environment, if it's worked, well and good, everyone will be happy. If it's not worked, they are the fighters again. Agree? That your info, developer will say this is the problem in your infra, and operation people say that no, this is the problem in your code, and they will fight with each other.
Yes, sir.
Happens
Yes, sir.
Yes.
to
Most of the
solve
times.
most of the time. Okay, or 5 years back I was into that struggle only. Okay, or 7 years back when the DevOps was not there, we are doing that activity only. Every Friday we have to do this activity. Every Saturday we have to do it. Sometimes we plan the same lunch at the same time. The developer and operation teams are also there. Okay, and before lunch, if the release went well, all good, everyone happy. If the release not went happen, the lunch is also happen separately. Okay, so it's a very common activity. That's why the new team came, the DevOps. Okay,
Okay.
the intention of the DevOps is everyone has to be into the sync and every work has to be moved smooth. Okay, so because how we can become a DevOps, if you have basic knowledge of development, basic QA knowledge, basic operation knowledge, or if you don't have anything, you can become a DevOps because I'm going to give you all the knowledge, all this knowledge. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
someone
Vikas.
someone you are a QA engineer, well and good. Okay, just learn little bit of development activity. If you are a developer already, just little bit learn QA and operation activity, and definitely you will become a DevOps engineer. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Okay, now this is the image which I was showing it. Developer created a package. Okay, this package will be first deployed into the dev environment. Okay, the developer people will only deploy it. Okay, so there may be 90% chances whatever the problems will come, they will fix it 100% for sure. Okay, they will do manually automated. How way? They only developer people will know that part. Agree? Right, if let assume something is working in my machine, I know how much struggle I did it to make this. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right, if same code guys, be on mute. Toha, please be on mute. Okay, if same code, okay, I will give it to the QA people. QA we are sitting together. Okay, so QA people say, okay, how you configured? I help multiple times, and it's work 100% in the QA environment as well. Okay, right, QA people did that testing, all good, all good, all good, all good. After that QA, suddenly on the weekend we have to release it. Correct? And whatever QA also get the help from the developer only. Correct? QA get the help from the developer to work into the QA environment. Agree, guys? You are able to understand,
Yes.
Yes,
right?
sir.
And developers say that okay, it is working into the QA environment. My job is done. It is working into a QA environment. My job is done. Then this build come into the operation or production environment, and it's get failed. Okay. Operation people will take a help from the QA because earlier it was running into a QA environment. And QA say that I took the help from the developer and developer is not available. Right? So what happened? Fights happen, a wall of confusion will be happen because QA take the help from the developer and developer directly help to the QA, but developer is not helping directly to the operation people. Make sense? Yes or no? That's
Yes.
why this fight happened. To solve this problem, the DevOps team came into the picture and we are helping, and this problem should not come. So what exactly the DevOps is? DevOps is providing the solution for all the development and operation related issues or problem. whatever the things, whatever the manual works, whatever the issues are happening, the DevOps team will help and fix it. Guys, you are able to remember this definition?
Yes.
Everyone, can anyone
Yes, sir.
unmute and speak up this definition?
DevOps is the solution for development and operations issues and problems.
Correct. Okay. This time you are reading it. Next time, don't read
Yeah.
it. Okay. Cool. Next person, guys. Okay. DevOps can help multiple teams for communication, collaboration, and integrations. Okay. DevOps help means DevOps team will help into the communication. At least they can talk with each other, collaborate. Whatever the work they are doing, they can share with each other, and they have to be connected. Their integration should be there. Okay, this is working here, this is working, and everything should work in all environment. Can anyone read this definition, please?
DevOps and help the teams for communication and collaborations and integrations.
Correct. Okay. Bomesh, next time be more confident. Cool?
Yes, sir.
Because you are doing 100% cheating. Right? Okay, cool. Thank you. DevOps aim. What is the intention of DevOps? DevOps has aim that I would like the cycle means this image. Okay, this should run faster. If manually we will do it all these things, it was taking a 1 month time or 2 months time, right? But when the automation came into the picture, it should work faster. That's the intention of DevOps. Okay, the intention is very clear that the aim of the DevOps is whatever the cycle, the software development life cycle should run faster, and things will happen into the continuous delivery and with the high quality, because multiple time testings will happen, so high quality software we will get it. What is the aim of DevOps? Can anyone repeat? New person, I need a new person, please. Please, new person, please.
Yes, sir. DevOps aims to shorten the system development lifecycle and provide continuous delivery with the high quality software.
Correct. Okay, you have to remember, guys, why I'm telling you to this, you have to remember this definition. Okay, if you want, take the screenshot, otherwise PPT will be there. At least if someone asks what is DevOps, so you have to give the good definition. Correct? Okay, next is DevOps is a streamlined solution. Streamline means same solution. It's not like that today I given one solution, tomorrow I will give something different solution. No, streamlined solution to all the IT activities and involve into the development and operation activities. Whatever the activities are happening, okay, the solution should be fixed or solution should be ready-made. It should not like, okay, let me do the experiment and I will give it to you. No, it should be ready-made. That's why we have to learn the DevOps also. Right? Yes or no? Got it? Guys, is that possible? You can able to remember not today, but by tomorrow, this 3 definitions, 4 definitions.
Yes, sir.
Please.
Yes, we can.
Please. Okay, it will be helpful for
Yes,
you.
sir.
No one will ask this question, but you have to be confident into that part. Okay, so take as a small homework. Okay, we already know if we combine AWS engineer or DevOps engineer, their salary will be very high. So some people may ask, most of them, because if I learn only cloud, is that helpful for me? You can learn only cloud also, that is fine. But is it possible for every server creation you have to go into the cloud, and for every service you have to pay a rent again to the AWS service, right? Every time we have to pay a high rent or high managed services into the AWS cloud or any of the cloud. So that if you know the DevOps, you will use the open source tool, free tools. Agree? Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Right? If you will use the free, then only the salary will come to our pocket. So open source tools has been used by the DevOps engineer. So combination of these two profiles is very good. Cloud and DevOps engineer will get a highest package as compared to only DevOps or only AWS. So I want you to learn both the things. Make sense? Okay, so focus equivalent. Okay, when I'm teaching 2 weeks of AWS, so you have to focus on the AWS part. When I'm teaching 1 month of DevOps part, so you have to focus on the DevOps part as well. Okay, cool. And then we will combine at the end. And there are a lot of openings are available into the Naukri. Okay, we already saw that. Okay, so I'm not showing this. We have already seen these all things in the yesterday's class. Okay, and any question now? Any question or all good?
Hey, hi, Vikas, Ankit this side.
Go ahead.
I just wanted, actually, that is not, related question, but there is one more topic like DevSecOps. So, a bit
Okay.
confused in that. So, what
Chalo,
is it?
I will give that answer. Okay.
Okay.
DevSecOps. Okay. See,
Yeah.
development and operation is happening. Okay. You understood development and operation?
Yes.
Okay. And SEC is SEC. SEC operations. Okay. What is the full form of SEC?
Security.
Security.
Correct. Okay, so what exactly the thing is? Security. Okay, we have to involve or we have to do the activity with the help of good security practices. Okay, or security tools. Tell me some security tools name.
Black Duck,
Black
Mant,
Dog. Okay,
Mant,
Trivi, Trivi, Trivi. Okay, security tools names. I need a tool names. That's it.
Man.io,
Main.io. I'm not here about it.
White Source.
White source. Okay, but I need a popular tools which are used in every company.
These are paid tool mainly. Black Duck mainly
Pet,
they are
see,
used.
pet tool is okay. There is no problem. I need a tool. I need a
Sonar Cube
advanced level tool. Sonar Cube, correct. Okay, Sonar, SONAR. What is Sonar Cube?
to maintain quality of code.
Quality code. Okay, it will check the code quality. Okay, with the help of Sonar Cube. What is Trivi? Which type of checking it will do?
We maintain the security. What
Has
security?
Trivi maintain the security? I am asking the question. Which type of security?
Like insecurity, vulnerability kind of things, or like
Obviously
code
vulnerable.
scanning.
Obviously vulnerability. Guys, it do the image scanning. Okay, image
Fuzzy.
which has been
Yes, yes.
created by the which has been created by Docker or it's used by Kubernetes. So that image. So what I'm doing it, I'm going to teach you these two tools also, SonarCube and Rivi, and I will create a one more project, okay, extra project, okay, which is on the DevSecOps. Cool, which I
Yes,
committed in
got
my
it.
last batch also. The session will happen on this weekend, okay, but you guys are not allowed into that, okay, because first you have to learn the DevOps, then I will take you into the DevSecOps. Agree?
Yes, yes. Yeah,
Right?
thanks,
So
Hitesh.
yes, first we have to understand the DevOps, then more level we will go with the DevSecOps also. You have learned the 90% of thing. I just have to teach you two more tools and I have to integrate into the Jenkins pipeline and done. And you can write the
Yes,
6 month or 1 year of experience into the DevSecOps also is possible. Cool.
yes.
Thanks, Ankit. Thanks for asking this question.
Thank you.
Okay. Cool. Now we have created a lot of success story, guys. I will show you one more thing yesterday only. Okay. I forgot the name. Aman. No, sorry. Mm, I forgot the name. Amit. Aman. Yeah, Aman Makhani. Okay, he's my student. Okay, he's my best 27 student. Okay, I will show you. Okay, this is his number. If you want, you can talk with him. I will give it to you all the details. Okay, he's my best 27, means 10 batch back. Guys, yes or no? Yes, no.
Yes.
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 And I want you to go and see the
Yes.
batch 27 success story also. This person was available 1 year back. He was giving some feedback to me. Okay, you can see that. I will give you the link if you want. Okay, if you will go to my YouTube batch 37, the success stories you can see. I will show you where it is. If you will go to the YouTube, okay, in the YouTube only playlist, in the playlist, somewhere success stories are there. Otherwise, I will give a direct link. Success story, success story, success story. Okay, in this success stories. Sorry, let me open the playlist. These are success stories. I'm opening the playlist, and somewhere in the batch 27. Okay, you can see the batch 27 success story. 34, 33, 27. Okay, I want you to go into this success story which has been uploaded 1 year ago. Okay, and this is the person was giving the feedback 1 year ago also, that he gets some hike or some. Yeah, here is the name, Aman Makhani, 5 years ago. Okay, he get a 90% hike from TCS to Messenger, and this video was uploaded when, guys, when?
1 year ago.
1 year ago. Okay, so here is the complete video. I want you all to see this. Okay, so what will happen, at least you will see that 1 year ago where he was. Okay, can you guess 1 year back? 1 year back he get a 90%, 95% hike. Okay, and can you guess it, how much again he made a switch? How much he has a package now?
Yes, yes.
Almost 30.
It's 30.
33.
Okay, how people are telling the exact number, I don't know. Okay, see, someone has read it. Okay, highest package I got it in the visa for 33. And see, this person I referred and I get to know you are rejected in the first round. When first January only I refer him, and he got rejected. Directly technical manager called me because I told he's a very good, he's a good candidate. He called me and said that this candidate got rejected. I talked with him, and he told because not possible. But after 10 days he got selected into 3 more companies. This is not a latest thing. 10 days back. Okay, he got selected into that. After that, L&T Mindtree also position on hold, and after that finally 5 offers he got it. Again he made a switch, and from how much package to how much? From 7 LPA, and within 2 years he reached to 30 LPA. Got it? And guys, these things happen every day with me. I can't show you all the messages, everyday messages, right? Agree? This
Yes.
happened yesterday only, he was telling. Okay, yesterday he was telling all these
Yes,
things.
yes.
And you can see the discussion was happening here. Okay. I think the Batch-36 people, Argo CD and EKS wala thing. Remember?
Yes.
Argo CD one opening was came, right?
Yes,
And
yes, yes.
this person has given the interview into that. Okay. Lot of people resume got rejected. At least this person got rejected. That is okay. But if your resume should not get rejected, are you agree?
Yeah.
You get rejected is okay. At least you learn and got rejected, right? But your resume should not get rejected. So I want your resume to be that much strong. So at least your resume should not get rejected. Cool. And you can see its complete things, and cool. This is the solution. And very soon we will be planning something on the YouTube. Okay. One review will come. Okay. We will create one video very soon. Okay. But you can correlate the things from 1 year back. Okay. Because see, Aman Makhani, here is that. 1 year back his things was there. Okay, cool. So guys, I want also your success story, and so many success stories I have, so many. Okay, so yes, it happens every day in my life. Okay, or it happens because of you, because of the learning. Cool.
But sir, his experience in development or
He is
DevOps?
experienced in learning with me.
No, I know.
Got
But,
it?
yeah, that I know. But
See, 1 year
he has a
back, what he
5-year
was.
experience,
See,
right?
see, 5 year, whatever his previous experience doesn't matter. He learned within 1 year with me.
Okay, so he is
That
appear.
that makes sense, right, Hardik?
Yes, yes. So maybe he's appear as a DevOps for the first time as a fresher, right?
Oh, obviously. When the first 1 year back he made a switch, he made a switch on the cloud and DevOps profile. Doesn't matter. See, I'm ready to give my 15 years of experience or knowledge to you guys. Right? Yes or no? Doesn't matter whatever you are previous.
Okay. Well,
Okay. But if you learn with me, that is your experience. Cool?
yeah.
Now I'm coming into the AWS history. Guys, if you know or if you don't know, okay, but you have to be aware about it, which we are seeing or we are learning at this point, or where we are going to create an account. Okay, this is when it has been launched. Read the number, please.
2002.
2002. Okay, and the platform which I'm logging in front of you guys, aws.amazon.com/console. This platform has been launched in 2022. Okay, means around 22 years back this platform has been developed, or this platform was 70% very same 20 years ago also. Okay, yes, little bit improvement or changes came, but idea or approach was very same. This type of button was there from the starting, is still the same of button is there. Favorite page was there, yes, favorite page is there. Search option was there. So 70% things are very same. And yes, this has been launched in 2002. And in 2003, some new formula concept came, and very first service, the service name is SQS, has been launched in 2004. Yes, I need a answer. What is SQS? Anyone here?
Simple queue service.
What is simple queue service? Yes. What is the use of this service? This is the very first service launched from the AWS. What is this?
Scheduling, job scheduling.
Scheduling is not a very exact answer. But your
Simple
answer
queue
is kind of
service.
okay. What is the use of this service? This is the full form. What is the use of this service?
It allows you to store, receive, and the messages. It allows you to store,
Retrieve.
queue up the message, and share them.
Okay.
between the application and the software component.
Okay, chalo, let me take an example. You all are working in one of the organization called ABC. Okay, your salary has been processed. Okay, they have given the bulk amount of the salary to some process payroll team. Okay, payroll has processed and they will send the full amount, your salary amount, to the some RBI. Okay, or see that will go to the some particular, because someone has a HDFC bank, someone has a Axis bank, someone has a SBI bank, or someone has some different banks accounts, right? So first, all the amount will come to the particular RBI, and then it will get distributed. Correct? Yes or no? It happens,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So RBI is running some basic, what we can say, basic queue jobs or some batches job, so that your process salary will be processed at a different times. We all are sitting in, when the salary came, when we are in office, when someone's salary came, we see our account also it came or not, right? Or sometime it may take 2 minutes, 10 minutes, or 15, 20 minutes, or sometime it may take 2, 3 hours also, right? So something is
Yes.
getting processed. Are you agree?
Yeah.
Right? And
Yes.
it took little bit time, so that type of things can be achieved with the help of SQS. Here how many processes are there, it will go here, it will go here, but you can maintain this type of things with the help of SQS service. Okay, things will be into the queue and it will get processed. Okay, another example, let us assume I would like to say send 1000 message, WhatsApp message. Is that possible? If I will send directly from my WhatsApp number, it will get blocked, correct? If I will send it into the 10 10 or 100 slot, it will work, right? I'm doing this work manually, agree? And this can be achieved with the help of SQS. Things will be happen into the packets and processed. Cool. Very first, the EC2 machine, whatever we are going to learn, most popular service of AWS has been launched in 2006. Okay, and after that, when this service has been launched, the biggest concern of security came. Is this safe? It is secure? Our data will be with us. AWS will see our data. Someone will see our data. The machine is hosted into the US region, and so many question has been came. Right? Yes or no? Guys, are you agree?
Yes.
If this type of problem came, then the solution, AWS took 3 years of time to give the solution. Okay, and sometime you are expecting that within 3 minutes the solution came, not possible. AWS engineers took 3 years of time, and they have launched one service. What is the service?
VPC.
VPC.
VPC, okay, virtual private cloud. They are telling that, okay, no need to worry, whatever the instance you are creating, you can keep in your own private network. Make sense? So this type of service has been came into the 2009. Okay, guys, can anyone tell me how to create a VPC? Simple question. I need it. I need your help. I want to create a VPC. Is this tough or simple?
There's the option click
Run
VPC.
VPC.
VPC is
There
there.
is an option called, we have to search it here, VPC. Okay, and I'm creating a VPC in front of you guys. Okay, isolated cloud resource. Yes, it's a isolated your own environment. And to learn the VPC, you have to be aware about this many things. Agree? Okay, and as soon as you will click here, I will teach. I will create your AWS account also. No need to worry. Okay, just see it. Okay, this is just day 2. Okay, and as soon as you will land it into the VPC, the option come create VPC. Okay, and I'm creating only simple VPC at this point. Any one of you tell me your name? Any one of you?
Amit.
Amit, AMIT. Okay, I'm creating a VPC named Amit. Okay, Amit, and I'm just giving the range here. Okay, because when you are purchasing something, if you are purchasing a cloud, you need a size. Yes or no?
Yes.
If you're
Yes.
purchasing a plot, you need a plot size. So I'm taking the cloud size. I'm providing the cloud size. I will teach you. This is called CIDR. Okay, I will teach you this also /16. Okay, I'm just purchasing a size. Okay, this is the size of my cloud, and that's it. And if I will click on the create VPC, do you think my VPC will be get created? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes. VPC
I
created.
just click on the create
Yes.
VPC. Okay, and yes, my VPC is created. Is this stuff?
No.
But when the interviewer asks this question into the interview, how to create a VPC, you are not able to give the answer. It happens.
Yeah.
Yes. It happens, sir.
It happens, right? Because some student got rejected because of this, and this is the simplest question. Okay, now no one will ask the normal VPC. What you have to learn? Okay, you again. I'm coming here. I'm going here. Your VPC. Yes, Amit VPC, which I have created. It is showing here available. Everything is up and running. We don't have to learn this thing, guys. We have to learn into the advanced level. Okay, I'm clicking on the create VPC. Okay, I'm clicking on this option VPC and more. This time, so many things will come. Okay, subnets. We have to understand the subnet. We have to understand the route table. We have to understand the network congestion. Means what I would like to say that whatever the options are coming, these all options we have to learn. Okay, or not from here. We have to learn from all this. Whatever the
Because
option.
your screen is not visible. I can see you.
I don't think so. My screen is visible. What about
Your
others?
screen
Guys,
is
please
your
confirm.
screen.
Visible.
Your,
Visible.
Visible.
the content,
Visible, sir.
sir. The
Visible. Your
content is
screen
not.
is visible.
Due to maybe
Content is
internet
I think
connectivity.
Visible, visible.
It is visible. It is visible. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Okay, Roshan, if you are in mobile phone here and there, just check it. If you are in laptop, change your view. Okay,
Because I'm talking about the content which you are reading right now.
I'm not reading. I'm just showing the AWS account. I'm not reading anything. I'm just showing into the AWS.
Anybody can see the AWS account of Vikas.
Yes,
I
yes,
think
Yes,
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 Roshan.
we can
Everything
see
is
AWS.
visible.
Yes.
Check your connection.
Roshan, the problem is either you use your view. Okay, in the don't connect with mobile phone. Okay, because this is not for mobile phone. Okay, this is you must have to come into the laptop. I will send a WhatsApp group
yes.
also message into the WhatsApp group that please join with the laptop. Okay, cool. So guys, just Amit VPC is there. It is created. Now we don't have to learn this basic VPC. We have to come into this. We have to create VPC and more. Now someone will tell any of your name who need a fully furnished house or fully furnished
Hemant.
VPC. Hemant. Okay, Hemant. Okay, Hemant. As soon as I created a name Hemant, Hemant, Hemant. Okay, Hemant VPC will get created. Hemant subnets. You can able to see guys everything is created automatically. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Everything, Hemant VPC, Hemant route table, Hemant connections, everything has been created. I will teach you each and everything, no need to worry. And now, as soon as you will click here, your VPC will be created. Is this tough?
No.
Say no, right? No,
So
guys, it is
Hemant,
not tough.
Hemant
Huh?
only.
Huh, Hemant only, it's okay. Hemant, yes, right?
Yeah.
Here
Okay,
also.
it's okay. Everywhere the name will get changed.
Everywhere. Hmm.
Okay,
Um,
yes.
Because how we are managing the range, like how we are selecting the range for IPv4
I will teach.
CIDR.
I will teach. Okay. For
Mm.
that, what is decided at this point? I'm just giving the overview. Okay. This is a complete networking sessions. Okay. If you, I will teach you into this networking class. Day 17, day 18, the networking will be taken care. CIDR block calculation, subnet dividing, CIDR range, subnet creation, internet gateway creation. This is a networking, right? I'm just giving high level overview how the VPC get created. Simple in one line. Is that okay?
And yes, because first thing, what is VPC?
I have already given this some couple of seconds back answer. Guys, what is VPC?
It's a virtual
Virtual
public
private
cloud.
This is just a common
private cloud.
words, and this is the full form.
Virtual
But
private.
what
It is a isolated network. It is an isolated network of your own. If you create any of the EC2 machine, you feel that it is unsecure, right? So what we will do it, we will create a VPC and we will create our EC2 machine inside. We will create our servers inside. We will create our all the data, whatever storage things. We will put everything into this VPC only, so that our data will be secure for ourselves. Got it?
okay?
Okay, cool. Thank you. Okay, and in 2008, after that, in the 2012, the customer event happened. 2013, some AWS adopted some more providers related thing, and in 2016, the AWS reached the 10 billion revenue, and everyone was trying to move into the AWS, right? And I was also a part of that.
Yes.
Okay, we heard about the AWS in 2016 only, but AWS has been launched in 2000. Okay, and after that it reached 100. It has created the 100 services. So many services came. Then after that, in 2025, do you know how many services are there in AWS? Tell me how many services are available in 2025 in AWS.
More than 300.
More than 200 plus. Yes, 200 plus services are there. Okay, yes. And is it possible we can learn all the 200 services?
No.
No.
Chalo,
Even we can remember.
okay, chalo, let assume someone is here because I want to learn all the 200 services. Go, man, start it. In the 2 years, you will learn. Yes or no? At least 2 years will be required,
Yes.
right? And
In
AWS will create 100 more services
that 2 years.
in that time, right? So still you will say, I have to learn 100 more services. Again, you will take 1 year time and again some more services came. So practically all the services cannot be learned. Agree? We have to understand on a high level what exactly the use, whatever is getting used or created in our project, that is our requirement. Okay. Now I have a very simple question. How come this 200 services has been launched, or how this 200 services has been created? What is the idea? From where he is getting the idea? Bolo, speak.
Day-to-day challenges in the
Yeah, problems which we are on a daily basis.
Problems. Okay.
As soon
Whatever
as
you are not
problems
able to
came,
achieve by own problems, okay, whatever the problem, issues, hardwares are getting migrated into the cloud. Let's take an example. 5 years back, we have heard about the RDMS, NS, SNS devices, pen drives, hard disks, right? Remember?
Yes.
yes,
Right? Now the pen drive hard disks, how many people are using it? Tell me.
no one.
Maybe no
Very
one.
less, right?
No,
We are
no.
moving to the Google Drive at least.
Yes,
Yes or
yes.
no?
Yes.
Right? If you have to send any photograph, earlier we are roaming with the, I was started the thing with the floppy tricks. Okay. I was going with friend and taking the data in the floppy. Okay. After that, the pen drive came. So we are moving the data with the help of pen drive. Now we are doing that activity. No, right? That has been replaced. How same way the RDMS databases are there on premises, this type of rooms, racks, CPU, memory disks are there. This has been replaced by the AWS with AMIs and EC2. Similar way, the database related things has been replaced by EBS, EFS, S3, storage buckets has been replaced. So what exactly it is? Things are getting replaced with the new technology into the Amazon. Earlier, some things are traditionally available, still traditionally available things are there, but it will get replaced. Chalo, everyone, I have a question. Everyone has a Wi-Fi in your house, correct? Or yes, no?
Yes.
Wi-Fi is
Yes.
connected with a cable. Yes or no?
Right.
Yes.
Yes.
You know, after 2 3 or 5 years, in within 2 3 years, the satellite Wi-Fi will come and you don't have to put this wires and all this thing in your house. Agree?
Yes. Yes.
If ever.
I think
Right?
Geo has been implemented.
Geo already implemented, correct? Okay. Yes, so this thing will come. Okay, so these wires, routers, network pipes, switches will all going to get replaced in our house. Agree?
Yes.
Okay, so yes, in AWS also the same thing. Earlier some things are traditional, now things are moving. The same thing, routers, network, pipes, switches. Concept is 100% same. It is getting replaced with ELB and VPCs. VPC is nothing but our networking divide or isolated network. Make
Yes.
sense? Okay, so we do, what do you think? We have to learn this. If we have an idea of this part, it will be very, very helpful. We can learn this thing. If we say this, I know routers, I know on-premises, SNS, people will not give the package. If you need a high package, you have to say the technology names. Right? So what you can do it, if you have basic knowledge of this thing, revise it in the next couple of days. So when I will teach you into the AWS, you will able to correlate the things easily. Cool? All good?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay. And yes, same way, security related thing, firewalls, ACL administrator. Before this server room, some security guard was sitting, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? He has been replaced with lock, right? Yes, administrator related things has been replaced by IAM into the AWS. Yes, things are getting replaced. Earlier, right now, see, so many AI is going to get replaced, so many things, right? So yes, AWS has also replaced the so many different services. Cool. This is how the services has been created and the count has been reached to 200. 200 different things has been replaced and the 200 AWS services has been created. Got it? Guys, everyone, can I get your
Yes.
confirmation? Able to understand? How much
Yes.
you are able to
Yes.
understand? Or bouncing? अभी bounce नहीं होना चाहिए यार, अभी तो कुछ भी नहीं होना चाहिए, अभी तो theory है.
Yes, sir. Understand from 90 to 95%.
Giri, where is the 5% problem? Tell me. ये तो theory है, अब क्या नहीं समझ में आ रहा? Guys, what about others? What about others?
Just practicing for.
इसको क्या प्रैक्टिस करोगे यार, ये तो थ्योरी है.
Means just understanding and concept very well. In a
Watch the
video.
recording again. Watch the recording again. Okay, इसकी कोई practice नहीं करना. Just listen again. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, cool. Okay, and guys, I want at least it should be 100% theoretically. It's a theoretical. Okay, practical you can practice and you can say, but theoretically you have to understand everything. Out of 200 services, the global infrastructure is there, where data centers are there. Okay, where are data centers in AWS? If you will click here, these all are the different data centers. Okay, right? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Regions,
Global
all the regions
infrastructure.
are
We will
data
call it as
centers.
a regions, or in the technical term we will call as a global data centers. Okay,
Yes.
or obviously it's a global infrastructure of AWS. Okay, over that, first, as soon as we will start, we have to be a networking. We need a network, means where you want to connect. Okay, so you have to understand the networking, then you have to understand the compute, we have to understand the storage, we have to understand the database, because any of the application will be get created with CPU, memory, storage, and database. This will be the minimum requirement. Agree? Yes or no? For compute, we have to
Yes.
understand the EC2, VPC, Direct Connect, Route 53, Kindness. We have to understand these services in the compute. The storage part, we have to understand the S3, CloudFront, Glacier, and some services. In the database part, we have to understand the DynamoDB, RDS. So varieties of different services are there. In the compute, multiple services are there. In the compute means CPU and memory should be there. Storage means it was a storage capacity should be there. Database, the data should be into the relational or non-relational format. Okay, so what I'm doing it, I will take 2-3 classes for the compute, 2 classes for the storage, 2 classes for the database, 2 classes or 3 classes for the networking, 1 classes for the global infrastructure, 1 or 2 classes for the application services, or deployment we will do completely with the help of DevOps. So you have to give 30 days to me. Make sense?
Yes.
Don't expect it, because can you teach everything today only? Practically not possible. Agree? Yes,
Yes.
no? Right? Because I have to make your base also strong. So compute, I will teach EC2. Okay, I will teach Route 53, VPC in the classes. Okay, storage, yes, storage related thing. I will teach the S3 in a very deep level. CloudFront also basic I will discuss. Okay, or means what I can say that 1 or 2 services from every category and around 10 services I am going to teach to you in the upcoming classes. Make sense? Because what we are doing today, I'm just giving a high level overview so that you have to be aware what we have to learn. Clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
What is the means of their compute?
Compute means CPU, memory. Compute, I will show in my laptop there is a compute. Okay, this is the compute of my laptop. CPU, memory, disk, Ethernet, GPU, CPU. These are the compute of my machine. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. Chalo, I will ask the question in a different way. What is EC2? Let me get an empty page. EC2. What is EC2? EC2. Full form.
Elastic
Cloud Computing.
Elastic Cloud
Elastic,
Compute.
Elastic Compute, COMPUT, compute,
Compute cloud.
and compute on the cloud. Okay, cloud, so you understand that we are talking about AWS, so it's a cloud. Compute means CPU, memory, disk, hard disk, network related devices is called compute. What do you mean by elastic?
Flexible.
Flexible, increase or decrease. Okay, if you want, see, this my laptop is flexible or my laptop is elastic?
No.
No,
No.
whatever the hardware is available, I cannot increase or decrease my CPU. Right? Either have to change my complete hardware itself, then only it will get changed. Right?
Yeah.
Right? So these are the problems. So AWS is providing the elastic machine where the CPU memory can be get increase or decrease as per your requirement. That is called EC2. You understood the full form of EC2 at least? Everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
We will go
Yes.
into it. Okay. And guys, I'm giving you this PPT where some definitions are there. What is EC2? What is AMI? What is load balancer? What is auto scaling? Before starting the AWS, means still 2 weeks are there to start AWS, but at least read the definitions. Okay? Or yes, no? These are the core services of AWS where we have to be
Yes.
strong. Okay? So these are the services name I'm giving to you. At least you have to be aware about it. Just theoretically. Okay? And if someone will say, because I have a 5 years or 10 years of experience, is this services are enough for me? I will say yes. The reason is, if you know the services, if you know the core services, you can go to any of the service. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
If you don't know ABCD, you cannot go into writing the words. Simple word, right? So we have to be understand all the services independently. We will combine all the services and we will create a project. Make sense? Everyone agree?
Yeah.
Right? If someone has a 10 years of experience, 5 years of experience, I will suggest you to read some white papers. I am providing it to you. It will be helpful. What exactly these white papers are there? These are some AWS overview. Okay, high level overview. What are AWS services are there? Everything, whatever AWS has written, the definitions, you have to read the same definition. Agree? Don't go to Google and read some wrong definition and give the wrong answer. Whatever AWS is telling, read the same definitions. Okay? Yes or no?
Okay.
पढ़ना है तो सही पढ़ो ना, गलत क्यों पढ़ना? Are you agree?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right? मेहनत
Yes,
कर ही
sir.
रहे हो तो make it very proper, right? So I'm giving you this book, okay? All the definitions are available here related to AWS services. Read from here. Definitely you will get a 100% correct answer on the Google internet, but sometimes some people read something wrong and they will say that, oh, I read this, right? Agree? It happens. So don't do that mistake. Okay, 1 point. Second, if you are a very high level application people, okay, very high level knowledge, 10 years, 15 years technical knowledge, then I will give you some architecture related books. Okay, we have to discuss about the architecture. Okay, where I am also making one course. Okay, after some time. Okay, but yes, architecture level things are there. We have to follow this. Another thing, because we have to follow all the best practices. Okay, in the AWS also, AWS telling the best practices which we have to follow, it is mentioned into this book. Okay, best practices, AWS best practices, and I will also follow all the best practices, right? Things can be done with so many ways. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Things can happen with multiple ways, but sometimes we have to follow the best way. We have to give the best answer into the interview, then only you will get selected. And in my class I will follow all the best practices. Okay, so this has been written into this book, so I will give you this book also. Okay, means if you are an experienced person, someone is targeting 30 lakh, 40 lakh, 50 lakh package, then you have to read this. If you are not following 30 lakh, 40 lakh package, I will deliver everything to you in this course. Make sense? All good?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Thank you.
and after that some disaster recovery. Have you heard about the disaster recovery?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
What is that? What is that?
So it's
What is
kind
that?
of
What
a
is that? Yes.
backup of an application whenever it is down. So it will be reverted to the DR so that
Perfect.
the data does not get lost in your
Perfect.
applications.
Okay, so the DR activity happen within 2 years, 3 years, or entire your life 1 or 2 times may happen. Okay, so there may be chances some backups and recovery related concepts are there into the AWS which we have to read it. Okay, so this will be helpful for you. If you want to read it, you can read it. Cool. Not with freshers, not with 2 years, 5 years person. If you have more than 5 years IT experience, then this will be good for you. Cool. Clear? Are yes, no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Good. And the next part is some people will ask about the certifications because I want a certificate. I want to, because yesterday only I get some message from you guys only that which certificate I have to do it. If you really want, after, not immediately, guys, not immediately. Let's the AWS will get complete after 10th of March. Some people from my group will write it. Okay. So you can also pair a group. Okay. And you can write a AWS Cloud Dictionary exam. Cool. Okay, not immediately. Okay, not immediately. Give at least 20 days or 30 days time for learning. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Don't
Yes.
now. Okay, on 10th March we will decide, or you guys can decide it, that on when you have to write it, how much you are comfortable, and then you can start writing this AWS Cloud Dictionary. Then after 1 year you can write the solution architect. After 1 year you can write and you can go into that. Don't write directly solution architect or professional level at this point. No. First take the benefit of 5 lakh, 10 lakh extra with the help of this. And every year do one certificate, 10, 15 lakh extra you can get it. Cool. Got it? Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay. If you
Yes.
do the professional level certificate also today, you will get 10 lakh extra only. Right? You will not get 40 lakh extra. Are you agree? Right? To go in a order every year, make a switch. Because why we are learning AWS? Still, anyone has a question? There are 1 million customers or users are available into the AWS. That's why we are learning the AWS. Okay, and AWS solution architects are earning too much high amount of salary. That's why we are learning this thing. Clear?
Hello.
Yeah, Hardik, go ahead.
Yes, sir. This certification is for the cloud or DevOps
This is for
person?
AWS. I'm talking about AWS. This is for AWS. Obviously, a
No,
cloud.
that
It
I
is
know.
cloud. It is
It is
cloud.
for cloud.
Yes. Okay, not for
Okay.
DevOps.
Okay.
Okay, cloud. Okay, and that's it at this point. Okay, let's come to the day 2. Okay, I guess all good, digestible? Yes, no?
Yes.
Can I make this day 1 completely green now? Okay, yeah, still demo is there. Let me take it in the today's class. Okay, not today. If not happen, it will not. No need to worry. Tomorrow I will take it. Okay, cool. Now the day 2 came. Can we take a small break here? Guys, go for a small digestion break of how much time? Tell me the number. 2, 3, 4, 1.
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Yes. Okay. Guys, in the next 2 minutes, we are going to start the day 2, this all things. And please take a 2-minute break. Okay. And come back quickly. Fast, please. Everyone. Guys, I'm back. What about you? Fast, please confirm me. You are back or not? Still 30 seconds are there.
Back.
Yes.
Tarun is here only. What about others? Ashwin is also here. Hardik is also here. Cool, good. Thank you. Okay, cool. But officially, I will give 20 more seconds everyone to come back. There's a small
गया ही नहीं था, 2
feedback I
मिनट
need.
की नैप ले
I'm
रहा
not
था।
very. Huh? Some people.
गया ही नहीं था, 2 मिनट की नैप ले रहा था।
Okay, all the things are going good. Are things are going good or not?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Thank you. So, let's come into the cloud. Okay, but as I committed that I will not directly cloud. I will teach you the data center activity first, and then we will move into the cloud. So in the today's class, next 10 minutes, I will spend in the data center, and then we will start the cloud part. Okay, cool. I'm coming here. Guys, still if anyone not in any of the WhatsApp community, any group, please join it so that you will able to get the details or you will able to join this course or continue in this course. Otherwise, you will miss the thing and you will not able to get it. So here's the barcode. If you are not in any of the group, please join it. It will be helpful for you. Okay. Cool. And now I'm coming here, the data center. Okay, how many people has seen this type of data center ever, at least in photograph, internet, movies, south movies?
Yes, sir.
Bollywood movies, Hollywood movies, yes, this type of data centers are there. Okay, this type of data center has been managed by data center team. Okay, and what exactly the data center approach is? If any of the issue happen into the data center, what is the solution, challenges and problems of the data center? We are going to discuss in the next 10 minutes. Okay, cool. Before going into all these things, let's create a small scenario. Okay, a small scenario, and that will be your homework. At least think it, every one of you. Okay, if you're not able to give the answer now, not a problem, but it will be a small homework for you as a scenario. Okay, the scenario is very simple. You have to create a one of the website. Okay, website. You can take an example. This is a website www.clouddevopsHub.com. Okay, you have to create this type of website. Okay. Oh, it's taking slow. Okay, yes, you have to create one of the website like this. Okay, from the outside it look very static, right? Static front page is there, yes or no? Agree? But inside so many things are there. When we'll click on dashboard, when we'll go into the courses, so many things are available. Okay, so understand that how the website has to be get created. This is your homework. Okay, the homework is very simple. Your question is, if you have to create a website, what all things will be required to create any of the website? Can you guys tell me right away also some points that what all things will be required to create any of the website? High level?
Front end, back end, and
Front end. Okay, front end
Infrastructure,
means
Hosting,
HTML
domain,
related thing.
domain,
Domain,
hosting,
DNS, yes, hosting. right, let me write. Domain hosting. Yes, go ahead.
Database mean backend database.
Yeah, database.
Database, backends. Yes.
If
Some
you are
more
making
things.
it through code, then front end and back end, and
Some
Uh,
programming
FRO and
knowledge and programming.
front end. Okay, HTML. Okay, this thing will come. DB thing will come. Or what you are telling, DNS thing will come. What else thing?
Programming.
Programming front end. The program will come. Okay.
if it is a microservices, then उस suitable पे
Containers.
देखना पड़ेगा.
Containers will come. Okay. Yes. Okay. What else? Please speak up. At least tell the technology names so that everyone will be aware कि हमें पढ़ना क्या है. Correct? सही है कि नहीं? At least you have to be aware कि simple example, guys. We have to create a website. I will create this website in front of you guys. Okay. But I want you to understand the points. What all things will be required? Go ahead.
JavaScript.
It's okay. Everything will come into the programming.
Okay.
Yes. Components. I need a components. High level at least. Hosting will be required.
Static है तो ये cloud की जरूरत पड़ेगी. I mean,
correct.
storage
Okay.
में.
More components. I need a component names.
EC2.
Yes, you understood where is the problem? We are not able to speak.
Server.
Question कितना भी simple हो. If the question is also very simple, we are not able to give the answer. Are you agree?
Yeah.
Are you agree? Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
और फिर and you will say that Vikas, I got rejected in interview. भाई बोलो तो सही, तभी तो जाके सिलेक्शन के चांसेस बनेंगे. हेमंत हाफ कटा हुआ है. हेमंत सिलेक्ट होगा क्या? हेमंत कम अप विद द कैमरा फुल. या करेक्ट. Yeah, guys, give me the answer, please. Question is very simple. We have to create a website. You all are engineers, 5, 10 years, 15 years experience already. 20, 30 lakh the package already. Some people already have.
सर फ्रंट एंड में जैसे आपने HTML लिखा, HTML के अलावा बाकी लैंग्वेजेस भी यूज
बहुत सारे, but we have covered up that HTML और front end is there. अब उसके अलावा दूसरे कंपोनेंट बोलो. Yes.
बैकएंड सर.
हाँ, बैकएंड में क्या चाहिए?
बैकएंड में डिपेंड करता है हम कौन सी लैंग्वेज का यूज कर रहे हैं. जैसे जावा यूज कर
Simple.
रहे हैं.
Backend app server is required. Simple. Okay. Where the logic will be. Okay.
API.
Next.
API gateway.
API.
हाँ,
API
everything
key.
will get connected with APIs. Okay. API. हाँ, obviously everything will come into API. Yes, correct.
Load balancer if we need some.
Okay. If we have to do with the high, yes, load balancer will be
Traffic.
required.
Maintain
Traffic. Yes. What else?
Route 53.
DNS, it will come into the DNS.
Big group.
Security group, it will come into the networking. Okay.
EC2.
Networking, firewall, server. Yes, very good. EC2. Yes, this all things will run into the EC2 machine. Okay.
CDN, like cloud.
नहीं.
Security.
Storage device.
Security already I have written. Firewall. What else? Guys, think it at least. Can I give you as a homework? At least सोचो कि क्या होता है.
Lambda.
Is it okay? नहीं, इतना अंदर नहीं जाना. अभी इतना नहीं. Simple website ही बनाना है. Okay, guys, I'm giving you as a small homework. Okay, think it. If you have to create a website, what all components will be required? Is that okay? At least you have to be aware about the names. I'm not telling you to learn everything. No, I'm telling you you have to be aware about the names. If you know the names, then only you will go again and again. Because see, if the load balancer name come again and again, when I will teach the load balancer, you will able to correlate. Yes or no? When the DNS name is coming again and again, when I teach the DNS, you will say, okay, yes, very first day I saw this name.
Yeah.
Agree? Right? So please correlate all these things. Okay. So now I'm coming into this part. First thing, if you want to create any of the website or anything, we need a small data center kind of thing, right? Where CPU, memory, disks are there, where servers should be there. Agree? Yes or no? And
Yes.
investment will be required, right?
Yes, sir.
Investment will be required, then only I will get CPU, memory, disk. Okay. I have a multiple option. Either I can go to any of the ready-made data center which has the CPU memory, and I will pay the rent, and I will take any as a hosting provider that okay, you will provide, I will host my website into this data center or this place. So I have some options. Okay, I will connect with their hosting providers or data centers, or I will take the price, negotiate, and I will take as a rented data center. Okay, instead of creating own, I will take as a rented. It is better. Yes or no? Right? Or if someone will say no, because we will not pay the rent, so what I will do it, I will say that okay, go for the shopping, purchase the CPU, memory, disks, rack, whatever it is. Correct? Everything. Yes or no? and then we need a system admin team to maintain everything. Okay, to configure, first configuration will be required and then maintenance will be required. Okay, so multiple ways, either you can take as a go to the shopping, purchase everything, and either you can go as a rent and you can purchase the thing. I'm talking about the data center, guys. Okay, I'm not talking about cloud at this point. Okay, yes, we have to do this activity if we are going into the data center. Okay, second thing, if any of the in the data center, if any of the equipment fail, hardware fail, okay, if any of the communication break, okay, any of the power out break, network congestion, or any of the problem happen, whatever is the problem, what is the solution? क्या है solution, क्या है? What is the solution? Guys, speak up. You are able to hear me or not?
We
can get into touch with this admin team.
Hardware
or second fix how to
correction,
do it.
replace.
Maintenance.
Or if it's our own
Recovery.
application, if it's our own
Replace
application,
and
we have to go to the data center itself, right? And try to debug the issue. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
You know, if it's a data center, if the issue happens in the application, sometime owner of the application also went to the data center and see what is happening. It happens, yes or no? Obviously,
Yes.
teams are there, but owners may also have to went there. Okay. Yes, we have 8 years back in the BTM, we have created our own data center. Okay, and whenever the issue happen, if it's not connected, the ping is not working or any connectivity not working, we all owners went to the BTM office, open our shutter at the 2 a.m. and checking what exactly the problem is happening. And this is the genuine problem, guys. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It happens. Okay.
Mm.
So yes,
Yeah.
only if whatever is the problem, only the solution is you have to go to the data center and check it. Okay. And this is one of the biggest problem. Okay. And there are so like let's assume you have created let's take an example of my laptop. Okay, simple genuine example. Okay, right now my laptop has a 23 GB of RAM, correct? Guys, you are able to see my laptop has a 23 GB of
Yes.
RAM. I want to increase to 32 GB, means I want chalo, I will write this small scenario here. Okay, so that you will able to correlate. Right now is 24 GB 24 GB RAM and I have to make it to 32 GB. How it is possible? कैसे होगा बोलो?
Extend.
Manually
Purchase.
adding
हाँ,
additional.
extend तो करना ही पड़ेगी मुझे और कैसे how
We need to purchase subscription.
हार्डवेयर लेना पड़ेगा सर, हार्डवेयर साइड से।
अरे क्या करना पड़ेगा इससे? हाँ, हार्डवेयर लेना पड़ेगा, करेक्ट? 8 GB की एक और रैम खरीदनी पड़ेगी, करेक्ट?
यस,
लैपटॉप खोल के लगाना
अरे
पड़ेगा।
गाइस प्लीज, हाँ, लैपटॉप ओपन करना और ऐड करनी पड़ेगी, करेक्ट? एग्री? दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन एवरीवन और एनीथिंग एल्स?
VMs.
गाइस भाई मैं अपने लैपटॉप की, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट माय लैपटॉप.
अच्छा.
Okay, I'm talking about my laptop. This is currently 24 GB and I want to make it to 32 GB. How it is possible? Give me the answer, guys, please.
पहले तो सर कंपैटिबिलिटी चेक करना पड़ेगा एक्सटेंडेबल है कि नहीं।
Who is this? Jivan. Very good. Okay, my laptop will compatible with 32 GB or not. Okay, or if someone is saying because go and purchase 8 GB, okay, I have to spend around 3,000 rupees. Correct? Yes or no? So let's assume I went with who was telling that 8 GB purchase karo? Who was telling? Anyone? Your name?
So we need to
No
check
one?
the
Ashwin.
hardware
I'm waiting.
slots.
Just
Hardware slots.
correct. Okay. Let's assume Ashwin. Let's take an example. Ashwin was telling Vikas, let's purchase 8 GB RAM. I purchased it. Okay. And then I am checking the hardware slot and I don't have the slot. Means I can't add any more RAMs. Correct?
Hmm.
Comfortably wise, my laptop is failed. Okay. Then what is the solution?
Purchase a new laptop.
That is not a good solution. Think it, guys. Think it. यार मैं कोई डेटा से मैं बड़ी बात कर ही नहीं रहा हूँ. बहुत simple
Additionally, we can
uh,
set up.
use remove the before one slot RAM and replace it to higher config. For example,
Okay.
before you use
How
16.
the 24 has been become 8 plus 16 become 24. Correct? So
Else you will
yes,
use
your
16,
logic is
16.
good.
16. We can
Correct.
use.
Guys, ये लॉजिक है, ये मैथमेटिक्स है यार, ये कोई नहीं सिखाएगा. एग्री? यस और नो? ये तो लॉजिक है।
Yes.
ठीक है, अब 8 का हम मैनेज करेंगे हमारे लैपटॉप से। आई विल रिमूव 8 GB, ओके, रिमूव, okay. I will purchase 16 GB one more, okay, more, which is again cost of 5,000 rupees to me, okay. I'm going with Bomik, 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 okay. Bomik is telling remove the 8 GB, again means I have a loss of 4,000 rupees जो मैंने पहले purchase करी थी, correct? This is again a loss, this is again a new investment, means my loss is of 8,000 rupees, yes or no? If I will listen Bomik, yes, this is a loss, but I can able to achieve it. And this is again got vested for me. Correct? Yes or no? I will keep it outside. Then there is no use. Right? So guys, if we will go with our own data center related thing, this type of problems may happen.
हम
Scaling is
ऐसा
very difficult.
सर हम ऐसा कर सकते हैं कि हम किसी से मतलब फ्रेंड से ले करके कि वर्चुअली हम
अरे कोई फ्रेंड नहीं देगा यार डाटा सेंटर के लिए।
नहीं
डाटा
नहीं
सेंटर के लिए कोई फ्रेंड नहीं
नहीं
देता है,
जो
ठीक है?
सर जो सॉल्यूशन जो
नहीं
AWS
चल
वगैरह ने ढूंढा है वो
हाँ चल okay, but see this is the genuine solution. Are you agree everyone? Yes or no? Yes, can I
Yeah.
get agree into the chat box please everyone?
Yeah.
Everyone. Right, this is a genuine solution, but some loss is there, some investment is required. Yes, this is the only solution I have. Okay. Yes, AWS data center also, they will buy a new stick and they will give it to you and install in your server. This is one of the approach. Okay. Second, we will take a support and we will say that, okay, remove this and add this. So they will give the difference amount. They will take 15 minutes to 12 hours and they will perform the activity for us. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right. And third is either a cloud way. The cloud approach is telling, okay, stop the instance and start the instance and change it whatever you want. Which one is easy?
थर्ड वन
Cloud one.
Which one?
Cloud.
Cloud one, right? Cloud one. Just stop the instance and add the instance again. It will work. Cool. Okay. These are the challenges. Okay. And another some problems with the data center is we have, if we are using or not using, we have to pay the rent. Are you agree? Yes or no? You took a rented house into
Yes.
the Bangalore. You are staying or not staying, doesn't matter. If you will say to the owner that I am staying in my hometown, doesn't matter why you have taken a room into the Bangalore, right? You have to pay the rent. You are using, not using, doesn't matter. Agree? Second thing, you have to pay for the power supply, cooling, and maintenance also. If you are a very small application also into the data center, you have to maintain the complete system. Agree? Yes,
Yes.
no? Okay, addition or replacing of hardware may take time. You will decide, think, change. You will make a support equate request and so many things. These are the problem. Scaling is very limited. You can't from 32 to 200 GB, 256 GB is very difficult. You have to spend a huge money, then only it is possible. Agree? So scaling is very difficult. Yes or no? Right? We
Yes.
have to deal with the disaster. If any of this type of, if your system admin people make the make your data center like this, you have to deal it by own. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
If any of the flood came, any of the disaster came, you have to maintain it. You have to handle, take care. Right? If any of the issue happen, you have to sleep into the data center as well. Possible. Whatever is the problem, we have to deal with own. Agree? If we create our own data center. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Everyone agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, can I get agree into the chat box? Everyone, right? To
Agree.
avoid this all problems, we have to move into the solution that is called cloud. We don't want this all things to be handled by own. Agree? That's why we are moving into the cloud. And this has a lot of problems. That's why we are moving into the cloud. Ready? Now, what is cloud? Right. 5 minutes more, 5 minutes more. What is cloud at least?
Like
What is cloud?
cloud,
Data center is managed by Amazon, like
like cloud is a service, so where we can
Someone
get,
else.
where we can get manage our resources, like and deploy something, like we can making a website, then we can store the data virtually and get connected or redirected data.
Cloud provides
Makes sense.
computation,
I'm with
networking,
Hemant.
database services over the internet with pay-as-you-go model.
Collection of database.
Some people knows.
The
Go
cloud
ahead, go ahead, that's it, go ahead.
collection of database we can access with the help of internet, and we have to pay as we use.
Okay.
Cloud is
Yes,
nothing
I'm
but
getting some
global
answers.
network or
No,
remote
nothing,
servers
but
design.
don't say nothing, okay? It's a lot of things. Amit, don't say nothing, it's a lot of things. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, instead of making some definitions, okay, which may be correct, wrong, can I give you the proper answers? Okay. Cool. What
Yes.
exactly the cloud is? Cloud refers to the server which is accessible over the internet. Agree?
Yes.
Indirectly, I can say that this is a data center created by someone, okay, and we will call this as the cloud. Agree? And which is accessible with the help of internet. That's why I'm calling it as a cloud. Cool. Simple definition means someone else machine or hardware which we are accessing with the help of internet. That is cloud. Okay, means any application or database applications are running into that server. Cloud servers are located in the data center, means indirectly whatever that we are calling as a cloud, okay, it is a data center. All over the world they are available, and with the help of internet we are accessing. That's why we are calling as a cloud. Agree? Simple definition. In actual there is no cloud, okay, it's someone else machine which we are accessing with the help of internet. That is cloud. Make sense? Are you agree? Yes, no? Yes, no?
Yes.
Please. I need answer from
Yes.
everyone. Cool, thank you. Okay, and this is possible because of the cloud computing technology. And the companies are providing and some companies are providing it so that we don't have to manage our own data center. They will manage the data center, and with the help of only internet, we will able to access it. That is called cloud. Okay, so let me go more into it. And there are some cloud providers are there like Azure, AWS, Amazon Web Services, Oracle Cloud, Google Cloud, Salesforce, Alibaba, IBM. These are the cloud providers. Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and we will use their services, that is called cloud computing.
Yes, sir.
Using the cloud services is called cloud
Cloud
computing.
computing.
Make sense? Yes, no? Is the definitions are simple?
Yes, sir.
Are yes, no? Please fast respond.
Simple, simple.
Cool, thank you. Okay. And now there are multiple varieties of clouds are available. Public cloud, private cloud,
Public
community
cloud,
cloud, hybrid
hybrid
cloud.
cloud.
There are multiple varieties of clouds are there.
Yes, sir.
Please don't repeat it. Okay. Public cloud, private cloud, community cloud, or hybrid cloud. These are the types of clouds are available into the market. From the name itself, it is calling as a public. When I'm talking about a public means publicly accessible. Some costing will be less, elasticity will be high, or some people will be stay into the group. That is called public. Okay. Private is from the name itself very clear. Private. If I will tell you private means my own room. Let's take an example, hostel. Okay, HOSTEL hostel. In the hostel, some are the shared room. Correct? Yes or no? 6-seater, 5-seaters, 10-seaters. Yes or no? And someone has a private room. This is my own single bed. I am staying into that. That is called private. That is called private room. Agree? Yes or no? Public means big hall. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
When we'll go for marriage, 20-30 guests will be staying in the same hall, right? That is called hall. That is public cloud. Okay,
And BTM
public
also.
room. Okay, it's clear.
In
Huh?
BTM
What exactly?
also, most of the people are staying in the hall. PG hall.
That's why I'm giving this example. I'm a BTM Bangalore guy. That's why. Okay. Yep. And community. Okay. Let's assume 5 students or 3-4 people have the same intention. Okay. They have taken a room and they have decided that okay, we have a same intention. We will create our own community and we will do it. Like we have a Cloud or DevOps community, right? Everyone want to learn the Cloud or DevOps, or everyone want to come into the Cloud or DevOps. That's why this community is available. Make sense? Yes or no? Right, so same way private your own, where your full control is there, full regularity is there, full flexible is there. Whenever you want to come, whatever you want to do, do it. This is called private. Okay. Community, your same intention people will stay. That is called community. Public, you will not decide the people. Someone hostel people, or he will decide it, he will send all the people to the hall. Hybrid cloud. What is hybrid cloud? What is hybrid
Mixture
cloud?
of private and public and
Correct. Combination of public or private. Okay, that is hybrid cloud. Something is AWS, something is running on AWS, something is running on GCP. More than two clouds are available. That is called hybrid.
Hybrid.
Make sense? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Guys, all good? Digestible? Okay. I want
Yes,
you
sir.
to read the small definitions. Okay. I'm giving you all the definitions of public cloud, private cloud, advantages also. Okay. Just take as a small homework. Whatever I will speak, the same thing. Okay. In the public cloud, the cost will be low. Okay. Why we are some people are staying into the hall or big room? Because costing is low. No maintenance. We don't have to worry about it. Unlimited scalability. If one of your friend also came, you can stay into that room. Okay. Possible. Okay. High reliability is there. Means it will be always available kind of thing. Whenever you want to go and available it is. Okay. That is called public network. Okay. Same way, private, your own network, your flexibility will be there, your security will be there, or your scalability means your own rules and regulation will work. That is called private. Your own network, that is called private cloud. And when we are talking about VPC, that is called, what is the full form of VPC?
Virtual
What is the
private.
full form of VPC?
Virtual private cloud.
Private.
Virtual private. Okay, means we are creating the private cloud here. Whatever we have created today, that is a virtual private. Okay. Same way, the community cloud or hybrid cloud. Multiple clouds. It can be two clouds, public, private. Okay. Public or private is also okay. That is called hybrid cloud. And more than two clouds are connected with each other. Some resources are in AWS, some resources are in GCP. That is also called as a hybrid cloud model. In 2023-24, some company has an application which is running some part on AWS, some part on Google Cloud, or some part on Azure. So we are using the hybrid cloud model into the company.
Yes.
That's why when you go for the interview, you will say, I know AWS, but they will ask, do you know Google Cloud? Then if you say no, you will get rejected. So you have to be aware about both the clouds. Make sense? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Guys,
Yes.
yes, no? Yes, no? Cool. Okay. And your own flexibility, control, cost effectiveness, easy, gratuity, some benefits are there. Just read the definition. It will be helpful for you. Okay. Cool. And let's come into the cloud computing. Can we take it today, or I think let's take it in the tomorrow class? Okay. Let me give you high level what exactly we are going to learn in the tomorrow class. We will go into the cloud computing more. Okay. And I will discuss about the cloud computing benefits. Okay. I will discuss about the cloud architecture. I will discuss about the cloud deploy model in public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, as well as the service model. This is the important thing. IaaS, PS, SAS. Okay. And in the tomorrow class, we will understand the cloud computing definition also. After that, we will go into the cloud computing, how the cloud computing works. After that, we will create a one scenario, the homework which I given. Okay. What all components will be required into the website. I will create a complete website in front of you guys as a demo. Okay, means I will use the technology called cloud. I will use the technology called DevOps, and I will create a complete website with 5 to 6 steps. Okay, and then after that we will discuss what exactly the IaaS, what exactly the PS, what exactly the SAS. Okay, and then we will deploy some more applications inside it. And then after that, in the tomorrow class, I will give some example about IaaS, PS, SS up to 10 LPA package. Okay, up to 10 LPA package. We will discuss this in the next class. After that, we will go more deeper into it. What exactly the approaches are there? Means I will just elaborate this thing in a better way. Okay. And after that, we will go into the upper level serverless computing. What is serverless? Anyone has any idea? Serverless. Anyone? Arey
I
bolo,
think
one line answer.
the scalability can be done by the service provider. We don't have to manage the server scalability
Okay.
like that.
Correct. Okay, serverless means we don't have to manage the servers also. Earlier we are thinking about 10 GB RAM, 15 GB RAM, right? But let's assume you are thinking that I don't know what is the RAM required. Okay, I will pay whenever is required. Same way, hotel. If you go to the hotel, at the time you will say that we are 5 people, give me the 5 rooms. Yes or no? Agree? Or if 6 friends will come, you will say we are the 6 friends, we need a 6 room. So it is a kind of serverless service. As soon as you will go there, everything will be ready-made available to you. Cool, got it? Guys, yes, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, cool. And after that, we will discuss about the monolithic, microservice based, or serverless strategy. If you have a target of 20-30 LPA, okay, we have to move into this part. And my commitment, I would like you to take into the higher package side. So we will learn the monolithic. I will understand. I will teach you the theory part, and I will keep you ready for the project 3. I will keep you ready for the project 2.
Some network issue from Vikas, I think.
Guys, you're able to hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, Vikas.
Okay. I'm telling means I'm taking you into the higher package side. So this all things will be required. Make sense? Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
So in the tomorrow class, we will discuss about this part as well. Okay. After that, we will discuss about IAS, CS, FAS, function as a service, container as a service as well. Cool. Got it? Yes, getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
We'll discuss into the next class. Okay. And after that, I will give you some more theory related to that part. And then we will wind up the tomorrow class as well. Okay. The cloud computing. We will compare the cloud AWS, Azure. Someone has a background noise. Guys, be on mute, Hemant, Giri, Ajmal, please. Okay. So we will compare about AWS, Azure. Okay. And we will discuss what all different services are available in what cloud. We will make the cloud comparison as well into the tomorrow class itself. And what all services are available in the AWS. Same similar services are available in GCP. Same services are available in Azure. We just have to understand the name. If you know virtual machine, if you know Linux, yes, are you agree? You can able to create any of the Linux machine. You can use any of the Linux machine, Google Cloud or Azure also,
Yes.
right? Same way, if you know any of the Kubernetes, let's take an example. You know Kubernetes, you can use the EKS, you can use the Google Cloud, you can use the Azure. Any cloud you can use it. So we will compare it in the different clouds. So from day 1 itself or day 2 itself, you will be aware that what all different clouds and what all different services are available. Okay, we will discuss in the tomorrow class, and I will give you means I will tell you that if you learn one cloud from Cloud DevOpsHub, you can work in any of the cloud. Because 5-6 years back, I get an assignment to work into the Oracle cloud. Okay, but I was a completely AWS or a GCP person. I told to my manager that I may not able to handle it. He told at least go and check it. Okay, log in and check it. When I logged in into the Oracle cloud, 100% same. You can say that only the little bit UI difference is there. Rest everything is very same. So it will happen with you also. If you know one cloud, you can go to any of the cloud and you will able to. Got it? Okay, and then we will compare on a high level what all services are available. You will not able to read it, not at this time, but I will give you this sheet and you can able to see after the classes. Make sense? Cool. Now guys, how was the today's session? I would like to understand with you. Come up with the camera guys, please. Have you understood the session? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, definitely, sir.
Come up with the camera, please. We will talk for 5 minutes. We will talk for 2-3 minutes and we will wind up the session. Please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bomesh is telling awesome. What about others, guys? Can you unmute and speak up, please? How was the session? How much percentage you are able to understand?
100%, sir.
100%. Thank you, Giri. Thank you. Because Giri was 95% some couple of minutes back. Okay. What about others?
It was good, Vikas.
Good. Sumit, able to understand, digest?
Yeah.
Okay. You are feeling that your base is getting strong?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes.
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 Good. Go ahead, guys. Is I'm fast, slow, or any feedback for me? Or all good?
Now all good, sir.
All good. Okay. What about others? What about others?
This session is the eye-opening session for me.
Okay, cool.
And your everything is okay for your side because you are a already experienced person. So don't say anything because you know everything about your.
I can guess it what a student will say, right? Yeah. Okay, if I will go fast, yes, I know the problem will happen. Okay, if I will go very slow, the problem will happen, right? So see, this starting 1 or 2 class will be like I'm creating your base strong, right? So that you can able to digest. That's also important. If I will directly throw you the AWS thing, you will see what exactly the server, what exactly the data center we don't know, right? So I'm creating your base for the next one more day. I need to create your base, and then we will jump into the Linux side. Then nothing will be new for you. Okay, you know, okay, AWS, I will go to AWS, I will GCP, and I will create a machine. Correct? Are you agree?
Yes.
Yeah, right? Cool.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, any feedback for me or How, anything for me? Nothing? Then we can wind up. And this recording is already available on the YouTube. You don't have to worry. Okay. I will give this recording into the LMS system. I will add you into the WhatsApp group as well so that you can talk, you can discuss the thing, and you can solve your problems. Cool. And I'm
Yes.
signing off for today from the YouTube, and we will talk 3 more minutes in the Zoom session. Okay.
The recording has stopped.
Is it over or Vikas will come again?
Streaming, okay, of the application. And now we can talk. If you have any questions, any simple management question, anything, please let me know.
Sir, can you show that which topic are covered for the day 2 sessions from the content?
1 second.
From that Excel sheet.